Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Christopher Mancini, and I'm a software engineer for Basho Technologies on the client libraries team. We create React, and TS, and KV. They're highly scalable, available, distributed data stores for key value data and time series. Both they're being used by the UK's National Health System and League of Legends social service. I'm here to talk to you about our supported platforms. It's a vast list and lots of coverage that has to be done. When I joined the company though, our coverage was pretty poor. Our tests and delivery didn't have very good coverage. It was far from being continuous. And it was an accident waiting to happen. It's always fun when you have situations with the release where a feature works on protocol buffers, but not HTTP. And that's something that I wanted to fix, because you don't want that to go out and have your customers really upset with you. Also, last I checked, our customers' server racks didn't look like that. I don't know why we depended so much on Mac OS X development, building, and testing. It was just a really bad idea. So I set out to fix this, and some of the goals for this were to eliminate it works on my machine, so unifying development environments for our teams, making sure we were testing package installs of React, make sure we catch breaking changes early, achieving confidence in our releases, and eventually getting to a full, true CI/CD system. The client libraries for our software made a good opportunity though, because we already had really good test coverage, and it meant we didn't have to create a bunch of new tests and infrastructure to get the coverage we needed. So we decided to use Ansible for our automation. Ansible was a good choice. Over half of our customers used it. Strong community, and I already had experience with it for creating my own local dev environments. And so we moved forward, and these are the tasks we attempted to accomplish. Installing and configuring React from packages, setting up React bucket types for tests, installing all the client languages in their environments, fetching latest client library releases from GitHub, client dependencies, executing the tests, and don't reinvent the wheel. Make use of Ansible Galaxy. There's a lot of good work out there. Take advantage of it. Sorry. I've never done a 5-minute talk before. And so make use of it. Also, build your roles, Ansible roles, to be modular. You can use them in other places like local development, sales demos, training sessions, etc. So it's not just for QA. And when you have the opportunity to release something to the community, do so and dog food it. Make sure you're using it so that you're not releasing tools for your users that just get outdated and stale. And so we have the React role that's in the Ansible Galaxy, and we make use of that. When you have role dependencies, use files to list out your role dependencies, and you can use Ansible Galaxy to pull them all in. When you have a repo that has multiple roles, Ansible Galaxy will make them accessible in kind of a namespace structure. Also make use of extra vars. They're great for sensitive data like API tokens. We have to hit the GitHub API, so we can pass that in via the command line, and then it's not embedded in our repository anywhere. Local action is great because most of you are probably going to be running these from CI platforms like Jenkins or Ansible Tower. It allows you to capture the output from the tests and save them to a directory on that machine. And then you can make them accessible to your engineering team, send them in emails. Also, you can wrap roles within roles. And as you can see here, it allows me to pass in configuration information based with conditionals. So if it's Red Hat, I can make certain selections. If it's Ubuntu, I can make others. And you can use multiple playbooks. We use playbooks for just regular React installs, or if we want security enabled, or we want to change the back-end storage engine. We have different playbooks for different types of configuration sets. Also, Ansible has released Ansible Container. It allows you to take all the work that you've done for Ansible playbooks and roles and use them to produce Ansible Docker containers that you can use for some of your infrastructure. And everything turned off. So yeah, my name is Christopher Mancini. The slide deck is already available on my website, which on the last slide it will show you if it ever comes up or not. There you go.
brother.